We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 377, part 1. DRYTRON versus Insect Bee Trooper. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What hand did I have? I didn't have a good hand, but Diviner, Arclight, Benten, Delta, Benten, get Diviner, Verte Dragoon. I should have kept one of the imperms here so I could have a discard and a follow-up play. Resident Insect, Bee Trooper, Scale Bomber, Armor Horn, and then oh wow, he can search the kaiju with that. That was insane. And then kaiju goon, horn, negate, and perm. Field spell. Special, but he takes that attack equal to original attack. Link, chain, negate. I thought I was good here, but Rivalry of Warlords. And I was like, okay, well, I'll just summon Dragoon. But I was wrong. Rivalry of Warlords is, you can only control one type. I thought if I would have summoned Dragoon, I could have get rid of the kaiju, but no. You could only summon an insect. Stupid. Attack. What does this guy do? Oh, I get the token. Okay. Wow, broken. Oh, 2000 attack, vanilla. Cool. What did this guy do? Oh, banish 3 special, but banish when it leaves the field. Armor Horn. Banish, send 1 type. Okay, or send 1 insect type, which Goki pull. Okay. Add 1 level 4 lower monster. Aztecpede, the Worm Warrior. The Worm Warrior. What the heck just happened there? Oh, we linked off for Invincible Atlas. Vanish special. Battle. Destroy. Why come we didn't how come we didn't attack with this guy? What? I don't know why he didn't attack. What the hell? Oh, because he used his effect. But then I was like, well, I'll just use this guy's effect to tribute itself to destroy it, but Invincible Atlas. This is why they call him invincible, and I'd be destroyed by opponent's card effects. I should have learned that card effect from Whiteout when I dueled him. Lancer's gonna search the trap, yeah. Flying Sting. I thought I had a chance here. Let's go machines. Nova, Zeta. Foolish, Alpha. Alpha, tribute. Zeta, Draconids. Delta Tribute Alpha, activate effect, reveal, draw a card. What was that? Oh, okay, Zeta. I should have just went for the Meteonus DRYTRON right here, but I could have did something. I could have did something here, but he would have activated that. What is that? Beat Trooper flying sting right there. Yeah, Beat Trooper flying sting. Yeah, killed it. God dang. Diviner. Send Arclight. Add Natasha. And it was over from here. Beat Trooper formation. Special. Take its attack. Atlas. Tribute. Special. Buggy. Buggy effect. Another buggy. Battle. Attack, destroy. Attack. And for game, Beat Trooper Sting Lancer. Oh, wow, God. I don't even know what I sided in here. What did I side? I took out the Drolls for Forbidden Droplet, yeah. And not a good hand. Zeta, Tribute, add 10. Special, add Ritual. Activate. Out of 10 is gonna get the Ritual from the deck. Normal summon orange, go for Verte, copy Red Eyes Fusion, Dragoon, set the drop. Oh my god. He had it. Let's get. Whoa, there's 2 insect kaijus? I didn't know that. Pin the bullseye. 200. Armor horn, a droplet. Sent Verte. What does this guy do? Oh, special. Equip, okay. What? For Atlas, jeez. Residence for Lancer. Special. What? Monster Reborn, the Dragoon. And then I was gonna try to activate and negate, but Flying Sting. I should have just ran this guy over. Then he would have won. He would have won anyways. I asked him Boral Sword. He did not go for Boral Sword. He went for another Atlas. Ouch. Oh. He did have a deck though, right here. Mitkotian. What was this? 377? 377. Play online. Oh, come on. Play online. I did, I played one duel, he just scooped. Or he timed out. I told him he was on YouTube, and yeah. And then I lost. I went from, before I was at 1471, then I went up to 1491, and now I'm at 1479. Check his deck. 77. Here we go. No Boral sword. And I did go up by one when I dueled that guy and he just timed out. I wasn't uploading that one. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.